Hi everybody, this time I introduce Honda Factory using movies, and factory stopped getting cyber attack last week. Wow! This raw material, steel sheets, coils like toilet paper coming from supplier. Pulled out from the coil, then machines cut into the size required for doors, roofs, and various parts. These would be molds. Press machines, using the mold and make form three-dimensional parts from the cut steel sheet. Welding process. Here connect the parts. You can see many robots moving very fast. They are blue, so would be Yasukawa's robot. They are our partner. Today, many leading factories use robots for welding because welding is bad for human eyes and too hot. Toyota, Mazda, Nissan, Mitsubishi have Asproba for their sublime scheduling. But I've heard that Honda use Asproba for latest factory for main. Honda was forced to stop production and shipping at domestic and overseas factories due to the cyber attack received on June 8th. 11th, production still stopped at two plants in the US and Brazil. June 12th, all factory resumed. EKNS, which seems to have been used for Honda this time, aims to steal money, which infected the data on the PC and the server will be destroyed. And a message appeared on the screen asking the money in return. Due to its behavior, it is a type of virus called ransomware. Many people ask me to talk about more about this, so we'll talk it on June 12th webinar. Please join it. Thank you for viewing. Please like, comment, share, and register this channel.